Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to Bolt.new. Just follow these steps so you can link your domain and make your app fully accessible online. First, open your browser and search for Bolt.new. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once logged in, open the project or app where you want to add your custom domain. Click the gear icon at the top. Select Server Functions, then tap Domains and Hosting. Here you'll see two options. Buy a new domain or connect a domain you own. Choose Connect a domain you own, and you'll instantly see a field where you can enter your domain name. Type in your domain and click Verify. Once you see confirmation that Bolt recognizes your domain as already registered, click Add Domain. If it isn't registered, you'll need to purchase it first. Bolt will automatically add the www version of your domain as well. This ensures people can access your site using either https, chartexample.com, or www.example.com. After this step, you'll see a message saying, "Your custom domain has been added but is not yet functional." Now it's time to update your DNS settings. While still in project settings greater than domains and hosting, click Resolve DNS Issues. Keep the DNS configuration window open. You'll need this information. Open a new tab and log into your domain registrar, the platform where you purchased your domain. Go to the section where you can manage DNS settings. Create an alias record exactly as instructed in the DNS configuration window back in Bolt. Once done, wait for the changes to propagate. DNS updates can take a few hours, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours for everything to fully update across the internet. After some time, go back to Bolt to verify the status. Click the gear icon, then All Project Settings. Select Domains and Hosting and check if your domain has a green shield icon next to it. This means it's registered, connected, and has a working SSL certificate. And that's it. After following these steps, your custom domain will be live and fully connected to your Bolt.new project, making your site ready for visitors.